1, 2, 3. Why you grab her leg? What's up, DL gang?
What it is?
And what's up, YouTube?
What's up?
Welcome back to our channel.
What's up?
I'm DeMarcus.
I'm Lauren.
And tonight we're going to bring you another challenge. And basically we're going to get right into it. This challenge is another requested challenge. It was actually requested to us a little ways back. So we finally got around to doing it. And basically what it is going to be the airplane challenge part 3.
The Reese's.
So there's going to be the third installment of the airplane challenge. The first two were a big hit, so we hopefully this third will be a bigger hit. And there was actually some suggestions on how to do this one to make it a little bit more interesting. So we're going to do basically three different styles on how to do the airplane.
Okay.
And then we'll give it a shot, see how it comes out.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I don't know. Am I ready? No, I'm ready. You sat all the way over there.
I was coming, but you gotta come too. You sitting crazy like you.
You ready to take a flight on an airplane?
Alright, y'all, so to get into the challenge like we always do, we're gonna do our rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Alright, you ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Dang it.
Alright, so Lauren lost. So Lauren's gonna go first. She's gonna actually do all the holes. So we got three different positions that we're gonna do. One of them's with hands, one's without hands, and the other one's what we call reverse. That's how it was described to us to do. And then we'll do one more round where we do kind of like a freestyle and see, you know, if we can come up with something a little more creative for the last hole. And in these three holes, she's gonna have a time limit. The with hands is for 1:30, without hands for 1 minute, and then when she's in reverse, she's gonna do 10 leg presses. So, all right, you ready?
Yes.
So we're gonna do the
Round one.
we're gonna do with hands for the first one.
Okay. So 1:30?
Yep. So 1:30. You ready?
Nope. What we?
Oh
Yep.
God. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Forgot how hard this
7,
was.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Better count faster. This is.
15, 16. Your legs going down. 17,
I know, cause I can't hold you.
18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
Oh, your spit just came
31,
out.
32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You had me sitting. Yeah, I was sitting on your thighs.
Oh, but I'm so holding you.
All right, guys. So, unfortunately, Lauren knees starting to bother her. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna finish the challenge up, and I'm gonna do my portion of it, and see if I can complete all the times on mine. But like I said, yeah, her knee is starting to bother her, so I don't want to cause any more injury than it already is. So we're gonna do mine. For mine, my first one, I gotta do hands for 3 minutes. So I'm gonna pick you up. You ready? All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold on. Feet right here. All right. 1, 2, 3. You count? Why you counting quietly? I need to know where you at.
I can't breathe.
You can't breathe. You okay? All right. Whew. All right, so that's 3 minutes. So now I gotta do 25 leg presses. Now I got my head hurt.
How much is hold your legs?
Huh?
How much to hold your legs?
Are you supposed to hold my legs?
Yeah.
I gotta put my feet on your stomach. And you have to hold my legs in. So, like,
Oh.
yeah. Do it like that, yeah. So you gotta come all the way over.
What?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna pick your legs up once I pick you up.
Oh my goodness. I don't like this.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. Alright, you ready?
Mm.
2, 3, 4,
Get it, baby.
5, 6, 7, 8,
Get it.
9,
Get it.
10,
Get it.
11.
You got this. You got this.
Oh, hold on. 11, 12,
Come on, baby.
13, 14,
Get it.
15, 16,
Come on.
17, 18,
Got it, baby.
19, 20, 1, 2,
Get it, babe.
3, 4, 5.
Good job.
All right. So that was my 25
Good job.
leg presses. All right, so now for the last one, I gotta do no hands for 5 minutes. All right, come on. 5 minutes. Let me set the timer.
You hold it.
Hmm?
You hold it.
No, I'm just gonna,
Grab it.
yeah. Once I get you up there, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Let go now. Let go.
You got it. You got it.
No, it's just, you know.
Come on, tell me.
Don't move, don't move.
Babe, let me know.
No, I'm good. Take your hands on my, yeah.
No, let me
I'm
know.
good, I'm good. Take your hands on my legs. Yeah, that pressure on my leg. Breaking it. Pushing down on my skin. How much?
2 minutes.
It hurt? You let you down? Alright guys. So I think that's gonna bring us to the end of the challenge. Cause injuries are starting to happen. So we're gonna just cut it right there. But as you can see, we gave it a valid effort. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and also for the one for the person that requested the challenge, I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, we gave it the best we could, but as you can see, it became a little too much. So we're gonna end it right there. But if you did like the challenge and like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, too, look us up on other social media, which will be listed down below. Also, comment down below and let us know how we did, what you thought of the challenge, and or if you liked it or if you hated it, you don't want to see it again, let us know too as well. Also, you know, since like I said, since we sustained some injuries for this challenge, man, it's kind of, I think we deserve. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So subscribe to the channel, become part of DL Gang, DL family, and continue to help us grow the channel, because the channel is growing every day, and we want you to be a part of that. Because like I said, without all of our DL Gang, DL family members, the channel wouldn't be where it is. So we want you guys to continue to help us grow the channel. But as always, we want to thank each and every one of you for watching our videos. And as we always say on this channel, until next time, we'll see you soon. We out. Peace.
My boyfriend's really strong. Blessings.
Peace and blessings, y'all. We'll see y'all.